Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a diecast royal car. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. The 1:28 diecast scale model of a royal car. Friction power, Dorj toy, fast super speed, powerful. So now let's unbox this. Guys, here's the product. Just look at it. The plastic body, the detailing, white paint job, plastic cladding, tires, the golden grill and golden alloys, the interior. It's well detailed with the steering, dashboard and seats. Also just check out the headlights and the signature royal emblem. This is a replica of Rolls-Royce Phantom from 1920s. Also, it has a spare wheel on the rear. Space King. Guys, this is an amazing collectible with nice looks and also has the Arabic number plate along the emblem. Here also. Like, share and comment on my video. Now let's take this diecast Phantom for a mini test drive. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.